In Contents, right-click the Volcanoes layer and choose Attribute Table. The elevation field contains numeric data, so it must be portrayed using a quantities map, and the values must be classified. Close the table and select Volcanoes layer in Contents. Click the Feature Layer Appearance Drawing Symbology button. In the Symbology pane, change the symbology from single symbol to graduated colors. Set the field to elevation if needed. A set of 5 classes appears with the default Jenks Natural Breaks classification. Set the color scheme to yellow, orange, red. 5 classes.